guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lady Lori, and first off I want to welcome all of you that are new subscribers. I know I've been getting quite a few lately. I was up 28 in the last 30 days, so that's quite a bit for just 1 month. And I have, as of today, which is Sunday the 15th, I have exactly 17 more subscribers to go to reach 500, you guys. So if you can do me a favor, a huge favor, share out these videos, let your friends know, help me get to that 500. You know, in all honesty, it really does help me out, obviously. And then more importantly is I get my community tab, which helps me talk to you guys in a much easier and faster platform. So I want to get to know everybody that's there in that 500. I would love to get to know each and every one of you, but it does give me my community tab, you guys, and that's something that I just want it so I can talk to you guys. If there's something going on, instead of just disappearing and being MIA, I can post something really quick and you guys are updated on what's going on. So anyway, without further ado, okay, you guys, let's go ahead and get into my Boxycharm Premium. This is for the month of May. Now, I do know that Sass has already opened up hers and she challenged me to a Boxy versus Boxy battle, which she said premium versus premium, and then she went ahead and did her base box and said she wants to do a battle with both her boxes versus both mine. So we'll do it kind of the same way we did before. You guys let us know which one you think was better, and then I'm going to go ahead and give a prize at the end of it when we see who won the premium, and we'll do a prize for the base. Okay, sound good? Sound good? Yeah. Enough giveaways. My giveaways are awesome. If you guys are new here, talk to some of the other people down in the comment section and they will tell you. Actually, go to, and I'm gonna put it right here, these are winners, and it'll let you know what they won, and it's exciting. Love seeing different names in the winners section, or the winners on the winners stage, center stage, platform, whatever. Anyway, let's get into this box. All right, this is my premium, you guys. It is always themed Super Bloom. This is for the month of May. On the back side of the card, you get a list of all the items that are inside your box, as well as a variation number, which I really don't care. I'm like Sassy. But for those of you that are wondering, it is 207. Like I said, it doesn't matter because it's not going to change my box, your box, or anybody else's boxes at all. Knowing that means nothing. To some people, it does. But to me, it means nothing. All right, the first one is by Elemis. Looks like we do have a couple of duplicates. I'm just going to whiz right by those if I had the same one as Sass does, so I'm not wasting your time. But this is the Superfood Midnight Facial Nourishing Sleeping Cream by Elemis. This is that one in that real pretty pink rose jar. And that one is $50. That is kind of a little steep in the price department. Okay, and then by Fenty Beauty, we have the Diamond Balm All Over Diamond Veil. Now, she did not get this. I did get this. So this is different. This one is in Cognac Candy. Okay. This one comes in at $40, you guys. It's very pretty. Really bronzy, like bronzy gold. Kind of, well, I was going to say maybe the colors I'm wearing, but no. The palette I'm wearing is the one from the British Museum collab with ZC. This is the one from April. Oh, and I do have my bag already. I usually get it at the end of the month. Sorry, I am late on everything. Look at this color, you guys. Seriously, that's crazy. That's crazy, right? That's gorgeous. Can you imagine just taking a big old fluffy brush and just bronze yourself up? Ooh, for summer too. Fancy. That's fancy. Skin & Co. Okay, Skin & Co. This is the Truffle Therapy Pure Oil. That better? Yeah. Okay, what is this coming in at? $68. Big box for a small bottle. I know everything's gold on it, so it's just a, I think it's one of the ones you pump, and then, you know, when you twist it off, you pump, and it brings the oil up in that glass dropper. But you guys, that's a big box for a small little, small product. What a waste. Anyway, all right, we have a duplicate here, so this one will be going in a giveaway. This is the LaRousse Beauty 3-piece contour brush set, and what this is the special edition. This pouch right here is from Serviced By, so that's why it's got their name on the plastic pouch. And then these are the 3 LaRousse brushes inside, which this thing just broke. I'll give you guys the other one. I'll keep the broken pouch. If I can fix it, you won't know which one's which. I knew it would eventually break anyway. I thought Sassy was going to break it when she opened hers. Anyway, there's your contour brush, your bronze, you know, your bronzer. Is that what that is? Okay, it's the angled shading contour with your favorite formulas. This is considered a flat angle. Yeah, a flat angle brush. This one here is the contour blending. Very pretty. I love these that fade ombre. And then this one here is the angled shading brush. I love these. I love these. These are nice. And they come in at $22. Did I get that right? No, I'm sorry. Sass be yelling. She's like, no, they weren't. They were expensive. $50 for these, you guys. It's kind of expensive, don't you think? Like I said, I'll be able to get this back on there. It's a piece of cake. Anyway, there you go. That's a 3-piece set. That is going in a giveaway, or the one that's not broken. The one that's not broken. Okay, the next one is by KVD Beauty, the Epic Kiss Nourishing Vegan Butter Lipstick for $22. It's this one right here. And mine is in the shade, yeah, Lolita. So what was hers? Petunia. Oh, look how pretty. Hers was black, wasn't it? No, was it black? No, it had that white. Hers was a really pretty one. Look at this color, you guys. Oh my God, almost like what I'm wearing. Look at that color. Oh man. I should have waited and put this on. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's gorgeous. That's a keeper. All right, $22. Nice. I think, of course, she put the other one on too, so we got to keep both. But okay, and then I'm not going to go through these again. This is Baseline Cosmetics. This is the Dry and Wet Dual Action Facial Cleansing Wipes for $21. Okay, this is the one that has the day and your night wipes. And apparently Sugar or Smart Cookie thinks that you can use these for when the days you don't take a shower or wiping your back end with. No, you cannot. No, you cannot. That's it, you guys. That's everything. What was my total? Right there. $251. Oh my God, I think I won. I think I beat her. I do. I think I beat her. I think she got 238. Nice. Just, I'll rub it in later. All right, you guys, let me know what you thought. Let me know what you think about everything. Okay, so what did I get different? I did get the Fenty Beauty different. I did get the KVD was different. And I did get the Skin & Co. This is the oil that I got different. So everything else looks like, yeah, because there's the Elemis and then there's the Wet and Dry and the brushes. So those were the 3 that were the same. And these were the 3 that were different. So what do you guys think? What do you think? Was my box nicer than hers? Did you like the items in my box nicer than hers? Go back and watch her video again, you guys, just in case. You know, we got to give Sassy, we got to give her a little push. No, actually, I'm not. She wins at everything. So every time we do a battle of the boxes, she always ends up with the better stuff. Anyway, I appreciate you guys chiming in, letting me know what you thought. I appreciate it. Leave your comments down below. Let me know if my box was better, if her box was better. And then let's see, how are we going to do this? I'll tell you what. Just let us know which one you thought was better. Just say, hey, Miss Lady's was better or Sassy's was better. But let us know on both the, you know, both videos. So if you're watching my video and you liked hers, let me know, hey, I liked Sassy's better. If you're on Sassy's video, let her know, hey, I liked Miss Lady's better. And then we'll go ahead, tally them up, and we'll do I'll do a random picker. I'll figure something out. But anyway, all right, you guys, take care. I will see you in my next video. Bye.